I will say for a CTO listening, if they wanted to just have sort of the do this, and don't do that, I would say number one is be curious. Okay? You can ring the cliche bell there, but be curious. Not do curiosity, but be curious. The second thing I would talk about is relationships, is to understand that everything we do and say is inside of this container called a relationship. Now, unfortunately, in organizational design and in hierarchies, we have this construct. I am the boss. You are the employee. We have a relationship where you do what I say. And more we know in this globalized workforce that that's not working. We need to understand that I, as CTO, am bringing a relationship to my direct reports, to their direct reports, to my C-suite, and am I intentional about that relationship? The third thing is something I like to think of as being, and that is the ability to say that I look at you, and whenever you and I meet, you are being a certain way. And then the fourth thing is something we've worked on quite a bit at 7 CTOs, which is we call the essence. And that is, you know, there's a belief that I have that, and this is, you know, you may believe this or not, but that you were born onto this planet with a certain characteristic about you that is wonderfly unique. You bring that thing with you consistently, and people can get to know you for that.